Many businesses are thinking twice on using AI bots. Companies and customers want to keep humans in customer service. This goes again to, well, it's kind of why I grouped these last three together, because they absolutely have a social impact. People are becoming, in some cases, less social, but people also want sociability, or a social aspect, a social element to their day to day interactions. And when it comes to customer service, or like walking up to your barista to order coffee, there's something to be said about the social aspect, having another fellow human there who generally understands how the operations operate, and you can ask questions and whatnot. There's a level of trust there that you cannot achieve with AI, and it's kind of weird if the Meta AI public feed stuff is anything to go by. Almost as if when you're talking to a thing, anything in private, you want to talk to a non-human machine-like interface so that you can tell some of your deepest, darkest secrets to it. But when you're out in public ordering coffee or talking to customer service about something that you're having a hard time with using a product or something, you want a human to be there. There's definitely some kind of like social psychology that's becoming apparent as these AI systems are being used, and what consumers are saying about it and what companies are saying about it.